So here is my rifle and how I have set it up. I wanted it to be suppressed because I have been just itching to get a suppressor. Love this thing, but 2-point sling, Radian, affordable Sig Romeo, and just a O-Light, which I love so far. And I really want to get a chance to use it in some night shooting, but and this is basically a full Aero Precision build. And we got a bad lever, and Radian made its way on here twice. We got the Radian lever and then the Radian throw, 45-degree throw. Love that thing.